check alignment, pilot holes, hardware clearances, and screw distribution before finalizing screw placement in a door jamb repair. Start by measuring and confirming the jamb sits flush against the stud along its full height using a straight edge or long level. Verify the door stop and hinge mortises align with the door so the hinge leaves will sit fully flush. If a hinge binds, enlarge the mortise slightly with a chisel and recut the pilot hole location. Always drill pilot holes matched to screw diameter and length so the screw threads bite the framing without splitting the jamb wood. When using long screws, engage the stud by at least 1.5 inches for heavy doors. For strike plates and latch hardware, check that the screw heads will not interfere with the cutout and that screws do not split thin sections of jamb around the mortise. Distribute screws along the hinge leaf vertically rather than clustering them near one edge, so load transfers into the framing evenly and reduces twisting of the jamb. Finally, tighten screws incrementally while cycling the door closed and open to ensure the door swings freely and the latch engages smoothly. Common mistakes include driving full threads without a pilot hole, which splits the jamb and weakens hold. So always drill a pilot hole size to the core of the screw and consider a slightly larger countersink for the screw head. Another issue is placing screws too close to the edge of a hollow or thin jamb section, which causes breakout. Move the screw slightly inward or add a backing block behind the jamb before fastening. A third frequent error is using too short screws for the top hinge on heavy doors, which leads to sag over time. So use screws long enough to penetrate the stud by at least 1.5 inches and tighten gradually while checking door fit. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners connect with local contractors and to give contractors leads and exposure. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from real projects together.